Today's math lesson was lesson 4. The objective of the lesson was to understand the meaning of the unknown as the size of a group when dealing with division. I'm going to do as an example problem of what we learned today, number 9 from their homework. It says Jenna has markers. The picture shows how she placed them on her desk. Write a division sentence to represent how she equally grouped her markers. Well, from looking at the picture, we can tell that in each row there are 4 markers. And since we know that there are 5 rows, there are 5 rows of 4. Okay, so that means the number of groups is 5, or the number of rows. There are 4 in each one. And we know that 5 times 4 equals 20. Also, if we counted all of these markers, we would get our total, which is 20. This number represents the total. We talked about that today. And what you're dividing by is how many groups there are. There is 5 groups, or 5 rows. So this number represents how many groups there are. Number of groups. And then your answer to the division problem is, how many markers there are in each row, or how many in each group. So that's what we learned today in terms of how to set up a division problem and how division is related to multiplication.